we do have an assess module both in the biodiversity risk filter and the water risk filter, but this is really where it all comes together. So this is where the users are providing their data that we need or the tool needs to assess biodiversity and water risk. And because user data is provided here, this is also the only part of the risk filter suite that is secured by a login. So I'll go through this in just a second. Once you log in, really only the user that logged in can then see what is uploaded into the tool, so nobody else can see it in there. Because the upload of the data is really the biggest ask on the side of the user, and the user is also going to spend most of their time in the assess module, we wanted to make this process as convenient as possible. So we have created the shared portfolio manager, where you upload your data not into the biodiversity risk filter and then have to do it again in the water risk filter, but you only upload or can edit your data in the portfolio manager that is shared, and then you can go either to biodiversity or water or both.